Hello everybody. Today gonna discuss principles of translation, theoretical part, third stage, morning and evening studies, English language department. So let's get started. Translation and meaning, word meaning. Today we're gonna discuss the word meaning, معنى الكلمة. Meaning, the definitions of meaning. That meaning have three main types: word meaning, sentence meaning, and text meaning. تعريف المينينج هنا يقول بأنه المينينج إلى ثلاث نوعيات. النوع الأول وهو معنى الكلمة، معنى الجملة، ومعنى النص. يعني مختصر نبدأ من كلمة نصعد إلى جملة ونصعد إلى معنى نص كامل. Word meaning. Now we will discuss just the word meaning, the first part of the three main types of the meaning. Word meaning. It's the essential part of the sentence that makes up sentence structure. That's mean this is the main part of the sentence that form the sentence structure. معناه بأنه هذا الكلمة هي أهم جزء في الجملة اللي تتكون من عندها structure مال الجملة. Open class words. What does that item mean? Has four semantic terms: reference, sense, denotation, connotation. Open class words. هذا المصطلح إلى أربع مصطلحات في علم الدلالة semantics. هي الريفرنس والsense, denotation, and the connotation. What do that items means? We will discuss each one and see what's the differences between them, the definitions of them, and an example for each of them. Let's start with reference. What's the meaning of reference? It's the thing in the outside world at the time of uttering the words. It is an expression that points to an individual. What that mean? That means when someone, let's say the speaker, uttering, that means say something, that say a noun or a noun phrase to point to a person or to a thing in an external world. That mean من عندي شخص ينطق كلمة وهاي الكلمة هي عبارة عن شنو؟ اسم أو جملة اسمية يريد يقصد بيها شخص أو شيء ما. Let's have an example. Ahmed visited Muhammad. Ahmed and Muhammad, in this example, they are two expressions. هن تعبيرين، أحمد كتعبير ومحمد كتعبير. refer to a person. راح هي تعبر لي عن أشخاص، أحمد عن محمد. بما أنه صار كلمة noun or noun phrase وعبرت لي عن أشخاص، هذا معنى أنه أحمد ومحمد يعتبرون references. Ahmed is a reference, Muhammad is a reference. They gave Hassan a gold watch. In this example, there are three expressions, ثلاث تعابير. To refer to a persons, they ضمير يدل على أشخاص، حسن اسم يدل على شخص, and one a gold watch يدل على شيء, thing. So we have in this example three references. So reference, any noun or noun phrase expression that's point to an individual, that's mean to refer to a person or to a thing. We will consider it as a reference. Most languages, including Arabic and English, use three main types of reference expression. احنا اللي يهمنا بالترجمة حاليا اللي عندنا اللغة العربية واللغة الإنجليزية أكثر من باقي اللغات. So we will deal with them, with their differences and similarities. Now, when we talk about the reference, and we know what the meaning of reference now, Arabic and English deal with the three main types of reference expressions. First one, proper names. Saif is a doctor. That means any name, Saif, Muhammad, Ali, whatever. Any name, that means it's a reference. Saif is a doctor. Saif is a reference. Common noun phrases. الجمل الاسمية. The doctor has just left. The doctor, it's considered as a noun phrase. Then an article, doctor is a name. The doctor is the noun phrase. That's noun phrase refer to a person, so it's a reference. The third one is the pronouns. He has just left. He is a pronoun that points to a person. That's mean a pronoun is a reference. So when I have a proper names, noun phrases, and the pronouns, all of them, it's referred to a reference. So I name reference, proper name, common noun phrases, pronouns. When I see them, I see this is a reference. Now we'll go to another item. The second one is the sense. It's an expression that doesn't point to any individual. It's kind of opposite of the reference. A reference, it's point to a person or to a thing. Sense, it's the same. It's noun phrase is the same, but it doesn't point to an individual. Let's see an example. My friend is the manager. The expression my friend, تعبير my friend, have reference because it points to a certain individual. من أشوف my friend واللي هي راح تعتبر عندي my friend. my راح يصير عندي pronoun. friend هي الاسم راح يصير عندي noun phrase هنا. أو my friend أقدر أعتبرها pronoun whatever. كل الأحوال راح أعتبرها reference ما راح أعتبرها sense. ليش؟ لأن هي تدل